Yeah. McKinney, stand up. You're looking at the kings of the craft. No roll calls, no waiting on the sidelines. We stay in the shop, we stay in control. East side, hoses. Let's get it. Woo. Yeah, let's get it. We run the block, yeah, we on the floor. Best custom hoses, you don't need no more. From the city limits to the county line, we're the east side hoses and we're doing fine. We got the steel, we got the fit. When the pressure hits, we never quit. No waiting around, no hitting the road. We're the heavy hitters, we lighten the load. We're the precision kings, the masters of the bench. Fixing every problem, tightening the wrench. If it's hydraulic, industrial, or high-grade steel, we're the only ones who know how the machinery feels. Eastside hoses, we run the game. Put respect on the craft, put respect on the name. Precision built, yeah, we're top of the line. Best in McKinney, yeah, we're doing it fine. We're the masters of the bench, we're in control. Yeah, we're the masters on the bench. Yeah, it's a different breed, it's a different grind. The toughest crew that you ever gonna find. We got the inventory, we got the stock. We're the heartbeat of the shop. We're the rock, we're the best in the business. We own this place, from the morning shift to the late night run. We don't stop until the job is done. You bring the specs, we bring the heat. We're the undisputed kings of the east side street. No shortcuts taken, no corners cut. We're the heavy duty legends, yeah, we're keeping it shut. They try to copy but they can't compete. We're the foundation, we're the concrete. When the pressure's rising and the line is thin, we're the only ones you trust to let the flow begin. Yeah. Side hoses, we run the game. Put respect on the craft, put respect on the name. Precision built, yeah, we're top of the line. Best in McKinney, yeah, we're doing it fine. We're the masters of the bench, we're in control. East side, east side, east side. East side, God. East side authority, McKinney's finest. We don't drive, we deliver excellence. From the shop to the machine, the east